Waka. Kambani izona.
Fresh.
Nani?
Hayi fresh.
Ndoda. Shubi. Yaphe. Kwenzakalani ngale vatila la event?
I never did this county.
Mina ngiyahamba ke ngedladleni. Mangibuye, event inuka amasima nje, like literally.
Yeah.
Inuka amakaka. Secunda yonke ndoda. Yes.
Uba wona amanzi angabikho indawo yonke. Akusekho la ukuthi mhlawumbe ungalanda ubani.
Temple khona.
Baphinde laba kamasipala bakuforce bathi lero. Une bohole Trishkat. Nomlungu one bohole lapha ngana ngamanzi manje ngase ANE or somewhere.
Ugiwe la.
Yeah, bese kube la event akula engine. EQ yakhona ibanga kanani?
Kunanda engine.
Ibohole ngathi.
Sema ATM.
Yeah.
Bakara. Mina ngithamba for line bothenga le phana.
Bakara mahala straight umlungu vele uyabagaya.
Yo, anyway, welcome back to yet another realigned recap. You know, we're doing it like we're doing it for TV. Busy. So we're here to indulge to some of the things that are happening in our hood. Who's this now? Let me just get this guy. Sure. Sharp. Akhona musakhona lapho kokwana. Kwenziwa njani? Phela ngikho, that's why ngibuza ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Niyayeka or kuzoba neplan because angikho phela into engayenza la. Yeah, anyway guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Realign with 925. You know, we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch. You know, Hamba Noma Pizzi, Outchami as usual. We're here to indulge to some of the things that are happening to our area and some of the things that are happening to South African entertainment industry, so that you will be kept well aware with what's happening. So yeah, let's go. Pincham.
Feri.
Okay.
What
What can you tell people that they don't know, or something that they know, or something that somebody told us that they know?
Yeah, or they're not sure of. Talk about that. Let's talk about the story saga kid. The Khumalo and Sensoma case. Eventually this guy Batuban Banban Baloi, I think is accused number 2.
Yeah.
Ukhulumile la athi gave out the statements ukuthi no Khumalo uye ukhiphe
obdrag.
Yeah.
Uthi kahle akuchuniwa right.
And West Party during that process maba investigator rana kwatholakala ukuthi after umeyiwa adutshulwa kunokuthi kufonela amahata nani Khumalo bathi ufonele this 082 number.
Yeah, so history, I think we heard about this last year or a year before last.
Ufonele direct, and then kune picture yesikhwama semali esitholakala ukuthi efonini yamjita nasefonini yakhe. But it was a see-through bag or something.
That you evidence but yet they still can't arrest the case.
Check ukuthi kwenzakalani man. This in the case bangayipostpone mos.
Literally inkulu itayihambayo mfethu, inkulu lenyanga ehambayo.
Ngiyacela ongeza bathi 30 November 2030 postpone ayibekelele.
Yeah. Mara, but what I'm asking myself is ukuthi why amajita ahlale narrating for so long azokhuluma ngayo no?
You know, sometimes angisho akubi lula ukuthi njengoba mawukhipha ihit wena mangingaki. Akubi lula ukuthi no engivele ngikhiphe. We don't know ukuthi lamajita what is it that they go through ngayo. Nani yabona ukuthi mhlawumbe bayathoshara benziwa yonke into bayabona ukuthi phela singeze sife senzile. Awazi ukuthi bababekele khoneni kangakanani. So which is why vele sekuyaphuma kancane.
Because I think at first I did follow the case, but then ngabona ukuthi doesn't fuck this.
Yeah, I know way forward.
I know way
Going
forward.
back and forth,
Just
back and
wasting
forth.
my time because when things happen, more especially majiteni, zigijima fast. But makuche, kube bekuthiwa kubhode uchair. Ngabe kwasenzo, if ever we can like swipe. Sithi mhlambe bekubhode uKelly. Ngabe usenzo ufahlakile.
Ngabe ufahlakile manje.
Yeah. uKelly, she's still being booked. She's still being talked about
in South Africa. That and it's painful that thing.
Yeah, because check Abu Chava, there were allegations, but Chava cancelled. Anga prove anga ukuthi they true or not.
Yeah.
Abantu ababhaya check Abu Chubchu. Zenzeka lezi zinto lezo, they want to lock them because of something that happened back in 2010-7 somewhere there. But then so attend the court. uKelly, I don't know, was she ever in court?
Does she have what?
Was she ever in court because of the case lead? Bam question or something.
If I recall well, into engikhumbula kahle ilabo sisibakhe lapho. Khona lesisi wakhe lo omunye.
Uzandile yeah.
Yeah, uzandile. Yeah, uye ngimkhumbula kahle ukuthi uke waphira uKelly angikhumbuli. Waphira in court. Zabe ngicamba ma. Maybe she'll appear now.
Hey,
after
this
all evidence. And then lego iringa ngamajita. Check ilo. Ukushona kwa is it flabber? Lo wakozwa yichi.
Yeah.
Check ukwaze iyenze kwenzakaleni ngale story lesa putlu.
No, wafahlaka lo chair.
Yeah, wafahlaka. But ungathi waphuma no chair after that.
Uphumile yeah. Azange aphume after that. Uphume after some time because I remember checked her on I checked her on podcast and chill, but I didn't listen to the story of what happened. Or maybe ufahlake how many years or pumanini.
Yeah.
Then after that, ngathi unencwadi yakhe that she wrote about the whole situation or just telling her story or side of the story. I don't know. But the wafahlaka. Just that I'm not sure what she.
It's
Yeah. But then I was it here.
Wahlala ne. But they meyiwa man. Hey, justice ayenziwa bravo. At least for the family, bravo, totally closure. Yonke le diphele. You know, for 10 years, uvukela vele, mawuvuka. Uvukela stress nesort. Ntwana mubulewe.
Yeah, but at least they need to get this thing done. It's been 10 years now.
It's been 10 years since.
So they're still fighting the case.
2014, somewhere there.
Wow. Yo, I truly didn't do it.
It's been 10 years, bro. Yo. Yiwa nje phambili ube ngathi hayi naku kuvela naku welwemu thuleke ngayo. But right now maybe bese kuba I was listening to this, one of the advocates, or is it God. Who's this guy? I forgot his name. No. Yeah, he's good, that guy. Just that corner la fambula court. Somehow. Kona la no uyilahla khona that and uye ozowenza ukuthi that then igcine vele seyizopostpone vele because sometimes ngibuze bambuza nge something with evidence ne proof of whatever ndoda uyithola aphi proof yalento lena or this evidence uyithatha aphi nani you know I ngithatha ku TikTok
but mama
ngitshela ivara what I
judge or lawyer advocate
lawyer
please
ngithatha udayile
so mfethu wena like because singabantu we tend to ukuthi mhlambe utshela ukuthi if I was a judge or if maybe I was in power bengizowenza kanje. So when if ever you were in a situation yokuthi to check the case yakaKelly Khumalo bozowenza.
No, what we have to do, everyone obeka lapha wazi you ready uyamqova
kept in custody.
Yes, bonke yabaqova khona uyiwane yena
uzori yeah
sibini abantu asifani
because bashiye abantu laba bekumele babe khona in a case more especially usisi kaKelly and uKelly yena herself yangithola even abo Longwe I don't know ukuthi uLongwe ufahlakile or ungaphandle ngana kathwala
uLongwe nayo ngathi ulapha phakathi
yangithola
ngathi ufahlakile naye is one of the suspects.
No, but bake bambona ngathi ngaphandle but why bangathathi whoever was in there njengoba si usho wena ukuthi bonke but they kept in custody.
Bonke
more especially abo Cherry ba soft maybe bazoringa
vele Sure ufika kayi-1 ngetanganyana ubambele endlebe net la.
But maybe the law does not allow Abocheri to be tortured. Who knows? To be tortured.
Ngoba vele ngisho amaqanda batotozo bona.
Mfethu. Yeah, mfethu, but yeah, anyway, what's happening to Ulihleza ndoda? What happened? Bebenzakalani mfethu? Bebamshovelani Ulihleza? Hayi bamshova mfethu.
No, Ulihleza lapha he was just caught at the wrong place.
At the wrong time.
At the wrong time.
What was it? Was it the club?
Yeah, it was a club.
So they were robbing the club. I
don't know. They target umuntu lapho, was it robbery?
So when Amauza, so bebazochuna namachita la bebazo paizisa nga bebazo paizisa club, or there was somebody they were targeted.
You know, the story is phuma. For what I know, ukuthi igcine kudubuleka bathu bani. Khona there's other female artists yama piano. Ngathi awuthage bathi idubuleke somewhere on the ribs. I don't know whether is it ribs or whatever. But udubulekile. Is it? I don't know. I'm not. If I recall well, maybe it's 3 shots.
Whoa.
Yeah, I think it's 3 shots because we are suspended.
Then they didn't take anything from anybody. So kahle should be bafuna.
Yeah, futhi vele bekufuneka ngenzeka bekufuneka untanga or bekufuneka umuntu naye mhlawumbe utholakale ukufana nokuthi mhlawumbe bokuthi kufuneka mina kanti ngiblobe nawo. Uthi uyangistana mawuthi yes.
Wanyiwe.
Wanyiwe or ngephutha nyana uthi mawubale udlule ngapha ngiphambi kwabo. Bashaye wena
crossfire.
Yeah.
Yes. So manje uthini ngempana because you've been talking about the Bafana. Naye winile ke manje. Ya wina 4 manje say qualifyile ukudlulela to a second stage. So uthini ke?
You know lama points esiwarizile still ngisama nawo straight. We won't go far. Manje, we're going to is it round of 16 or quarterfinals?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think.
Google group hamba ngakhe ama team 1 or 2.
Hamba 2 kusala 2. So ama group agcina ku F. So it means we go 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 A B C D E F G. I know. Agcina ku F. Angikho sure ukuthi uyosana ngakhe. Yeah, I'm quite sure. But we won't go far, bitch. Yes, that of this. I'm a player way too. Ihanga by show. Just that ukuthi lapha Namibia. Sithole
ilahlile vele. Iqualifyile na.
Qualify. Sithole ilahlile Namibia bese sayikokotela fast yabona. Kusetshenzwe lesikhathini. Vele team mayiso and you have to collect
and indlela nangalendlela esifuna ngayo man yokuthi if this can happen, if ever we draw, if ever they loser.
Yeah,
that's not a win.
Yeah.
That's luck.
No qualify qualifying ngenhlanhla nje ngamaxoxo.
Yeah, that's luck. That's not a win, Petru. That's luck too. So when I uthi angeke size sendawo vele is the last stage this.
Yeah, this hayi siyabuya ekhaya. Yeah, siyabuya ekhaya. Mhlawumbe vele nanubringa so into baphushayo ukuthi hayi asiqhubekeni madoda abathi yabo.
Yeah, maybe
babisho abantu baphusha ngendlela
ekhona. Yeah, manje
umuntu ophusha
inspired by negativity. Yeah. Okay, let me prove this motherfucker wrong. Then some of the things nami prove kanjalo wrong.
Yeah.
People were saying this, I'm like, okay, let me show you. They give me strength. Yeah. So yeah, but we didn't talk about episode galike Makgaf mfethu.
Makgaf man.
Yeah, mfethu. You
is it? Yeah.
Again untanga like mina mangibheka masekabala eminyaka ayengayescale. Mina I thought we were like on the same age group.
Yeah.
Kanti shoot imdala.
Imdala because uthe wa 84.
And escale ngibhekena lokuthi the secondary ungene nini mina ngangena nini.
Yeah.
Nase primary I'm like yo untanga mos ugroti
yena akachampisi yazi
hayi because mina ngimazi ukuthi Makgaf man yabona i-out yasekasi ujwayele njengoba ngisho ukuthi utufahla ke 2007 ne
yeah
mina ngumuntu otekasi ngivaye 2000 ngathi uhambe after 2010 ngoba
uthi uhlele
incosi uthole 2007 and 8
seyina 12 incosi
wavaya
uthi ubuye incosi seyina 12
ngoba uthi yena uvaye
akusikudala buyile
uvaye incosi icede
uzalwa ina 10 uthe 10 months
yeah
ina 10 months wafahla
so mina by then bese ngishifta ke igazi
yeah
and uyabona ukuthi the more bona ababhizi ngalento zabo ze crime thina sesesescale mina bengizwe badale out there vela ishofu over ibuyele emuva mina ngeda ngengele lona ngazozala
and plus abantu abaskrale vele
mina ngiyazi ukuthi wala abantu abaskrale and umuntu atshela amasimba ubona dalo ngamgoma mara ngale ndlela kuba kade mina baba ngeke ubuye
awuyakutshela ukuthi bayiphumile lapho yazo vele ukuthi bekathi bayiphumile vele abekabuyele emuva ikala
so mina ngicava kanjalo nabo sister bakhe njengoba asho ukuthi beka uGapman nami ngivayisileke inkawuza yeah nambe nguGapman ekasi so manje ngisho umjita ube uGapman how did I miss all of that not to see him
next ukujump for
kana ngijump ngizibonela umjito grand but masekabala ukuthi nabo banibani bagwaza ubanibani kuphi mina oh lesikhathi umjito so akhawatha amajita because abanye ngiyabacava babalayo ngifundile nabo
laba bakhawathi
yeah should nabanye abekasipana nabo
yeah laba
ngingasinte eGroot maybe ushaya ngabo 3 4 years yabona because umuntu mose primary oka grade 7 wena oka grade maybe 4
yeah grade 5
yakhona ukubona yabona yeah labo grade 5 yakhona ukubona lezi izinto zasekhaya ay mara mfana abona into engikhawuthile ile ukuthi uthize incosi yakhe beyiza ngara izomcheck kuthiwa incosi icabithana ecollege yeah nogcina itshela so ngicabanga le moment yokuthi mase ublomene incosi yakho uyichazela ukuthi ehleke
yonke lento
nokwenza ngibulela umuntu or ngenzeni nje
ngiyamfahla umntwana ke is it out because azange stated umjita outside umntwana ke engathi lento ngabe uyibambile kancane
ayishmpana no matter they say the earlier the better and more especially indaba maziphuma kumnikazi njengoba yena uyochazelela incosi ukuthi athi ngichazele because edladleni bathi ize college bayombona ra eDanyana ize uzombona ejele so yena uthi wayichazela ra ukuthi no ntwana la kukanje usona
njengoba vele
ngoba la ngiboshiwe yabona ngoba ngenza into esona
umtshela asaselapha kanje umtshela sekabuyile
umtshela asaselapha phela ubuya manje untanga usasayina
and like manje uyini parole kahle parole okay mina thought ukuthi manje iraf phakathi 25 uthi wahlala 12
uthi kahle kanti 14 because i12 beka ku trial I mean 2 beka ku trial then 12 washaya straight manje uyasayina ke no
and one other part angichaze ngayo ngokuringa lesikhathi umbuza ngelo ukuthi mawubheka izinto ukushintsha kwazo nani washo ukuthi the only thing ekhawadayo ukusifakela ipressure once you see umuntu usucceeded that thing vele even in our normal life sinayo that thing I don't know whether ngithi umona or what is it
no kusumona because of izinto ngendlela ezenzeka ngakhona and you think ukuthi ubani ungidabulile nama ngizame harder ofithi wena uzotry ngendlela wrong
kaningi vele kuvamisa ukuthi ufail whenever if ever you can check ukuthi okay uvolve upushe kangaka uvolve wenzani hayi uvolve ngeke angihlule
and you don't know ukuthi isupport ka Volve uyithola va ukuze aphushe la abanye nomzali uyomphumvulela ama channel when I don't have anybody when awuna umuntu ukhumbula ubuye eminyakeni mawubuya fresh abantu they still need to build the trust kuwe because they don't trust you Yangithola.
Adapt nezinto ezenzakalayo la emhlabeni phela indlela yokwenza kwakudala ayifani
No, yeah.
mawuthi uyabheka izinto ukuthi bezenzeka ngakhona 3 years back ngikhuluma ngento yamanje 3 years back then you check manje uyabona ukuthi no man hayi khona ukushintsha akusase ngalendlela bekenzeka ngakhona before and ukhuluma ngento ukuthi it's just a near past no 3 years back hayi man that and benziwa so but mawu check manje
ayisekho kanjalo
ayisekho the very same way so yena let's hope ukuthi umjita uzoyenza ayiqoqe enzini yabo abuyele vele back to his normal life angajahi vele
mina the only thing engimtshele yona of air ukuthi Brian if you really want to change your life first thing because ngiyakubona ukuthi manje usaskima abantu bangalendlela obuwaskima before ufahlala that's the only thing i-routine ekumele uqale uyichinje ke no abantu ekumele ubaskima phume ubulova so growth man same thing engihlale ngitshela uGibson jo nokuvana nawe kasi the only people obahruntayo niba nama conversation aboguluva omunye mhlambe ubuye ejele last bese supplement angicocota abobani benze ngathi mfethu please I don't want to know about ukuthi amajita yenza abamba inkunzi ubani bagwazane nabo the story what's going to happen with so into engibona emajiteni ukuthi babuya edanyana and still bayobloma nabantu who still have conversation about crime
so that bagcina sebakhushana ngayo ukuthi hayi no yabona
because ukhumbule ukuthi lento le dala bebayenzela ukugcwalisela so namanje makezwe ukuthi ubani wenzeni nobani wenzeni izobuya la ukuthi angeke azangihlule
angeke asayenzeli ukugcwalisela manje sekenzela mhlambe idlala nokukhawatheka empilweni ngisemuva elife so ugcina social izinto
that's why you need to change check about Trinity tribe are meant to go to church because I see him on WhatsApp status sala postile ma church nabo already support group what those things will help you but no saphume danyana and yet still have umqondo wokuguluva usabloma makhoneni usabhemizolo you will never change
angeke usashintshe angeke kube lula futhi ungashintshe le surrounding yakho angeke change for God
so I don't know we're closing got something else you want to say because actually we don't have time since we're recording today it's Saturday and we're all gonna upload it today Saturday we're supposed to because we normally record on Thursday or Wednesday but we didn't have time because we got some dues to pay and we have things to do so that we can pay those dues.
I think we could.
So Mpethu, I hope you really like this episode. Mpethu, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, Mpethu, because if you're not a fan, you realign. Mpethu, I hope you will 10 to 1, like 12:50. So this is Realign with 9 to 5. You know, we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast. And we're doing it like we're doing it for TV. No man, out of crisis. I was that I wish you
we only live once against your law. I'll push a soul low.